Men over 50, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some mornings you wake up feeling strong, clear-headed, and ready for the day, while other mornings feel like you're moving through mud? That inconsistency isn't just aging, it's your hormones trying to keep up with your lifestyle. And one hormone in particular, testosterone, is quietly shaping your strength, energy, confidence, and even the way you carry yourself through the world. Testosterone doesn't suddenly collapse at 50. It fades slowly, year after year, and most men don't notice it until they realize their motivation has changed, their energy dips faster, or their workouts feel heavier than they used to. The good news is your body hasn't stopped working for you. It's simply asking for the right fuel. And some of the most powerful hormone-supporting nutrients come from foods you walk past every day without thinking twice. Today, I want to talk to you about something incredibly small, but incredibly powerful: nuts. 5 that support your testosterone, and 2 you need to stay away from if you want your hormones working in your favor. Let's start with this. Testosterone is built from fats and minerals, not junk fats, but clean, natural fats that your body knows how to use. When men deprive themselves of these fats, testosterone isn't just lowered, it becomes harder to produce. That's why nuts are one of the most underrated tools for thriving after 50. They're compact, they're convenient, and they're rich in the nutrients your body depends on. The first nut that deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen is the Brazil nut. And it's not because of the taste, it's because of selenium. Selenium is a mineral most men are quietly deficient in, and your testosterone depends on it. Just one Brazil nut can meet your daily requirement. One, that's small, that's simple, but that powerful. Think of selenium as the spark plug that keeps your hormones firing. The second nut is the almond. Most men overlook almonds because they're common, but they shouldn't. Almonds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that directly influences free testosterone levels. Magnesium helps calm inflammation, relax your muscles, and support sleep quality, all things that high-performing men over 50 need more than ever. And when your sleep improves, your hormones improve. The third nut is the walnut. Walnuts carry omega-3 fats, those heart-protective, brain-nourishing, hormone-balancing fats our bodies desperately need. I often say this: a man with healthy omega-3 levels ages slower. He thinks clearer, he stays more emotionally balanced, and his testosterone has a foundation of strength instead of stress. The fourth one is the pistachio. Studies show that pistachios help support blood flow, and where there is healthy blood flow, there is healthy testosterone expression. They also help manage cholesterol levels, which is important because testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol. When cholesterol is balanced, not too high, not too low, your hormones work in harmony. And the fifth nut, the quiet hero, is the cashew. Cashews offer zinc, another mineral essential for testosterone production. When zinc is low, libido is low, energy is low, mood is low. Your body needs zinc the way a car needs oil. Cashews deliver it in a clean, natural form your body absorbs easily. But just as some nuts uplift your hormones, there are 2 that can quietly work against you. The first is the peanut. Despite being popular, peanuts are not technically nuts. They're legumes, and they often contain compounds that increase inflammation in the body. Inflammation steals testosterone. It hijacks your energy and forces your hormones to fight fires instead of building strength. The second nut to avoid is the flavored, heavily salted, or sugar-coated versions of otherwise healthy nuts. Honey-roasted almonds, caramel cashews, chili-coated pistachios, they turn powerful hormone foods into inflammatory snacks. And inflammation is the enemy of vitality. Now, here's the truth most men miss. It's not about eating massive amounts. It's about small, daily consistency. A handful a day, a mix, a rotation. Something simple enough that it becomes part of your rhythm, not a burden. Imagine this. You wake up and instead of reaching for something processed, you grab a few almonds, a Brazil nut, some walnuts. You do this every day for a month. I promise you, your energy will shift, your clarity will sharpen, you'll feel more grounded in your body, and your testosterone will have the raw materials it needs to work with you instead of against you. The writer James Clear once said in Atomic Habits that small choices repeated over time turn into major transformations. This applies to your health more than anything else. The simple act of choosing the right foods that support your hormones instead of weakening them, can redefine how you feel at 50, 60, 70, and beyond. Your body is not done. Your strength is not behind you. Your vitality is not a memory. You're simply entering a stage where the details matter more. And today, the details look like 5 nuts that fuel you and 2 that quietly drain you. Choose wisely, choose consistently, and let your body show you what's still possible. As men age, the body gradually slows down the production of testosterone. This decline usually begins in the late 30s, but its effects become more noticeable after 50. The body's hormone system becomes less efficient, muscle mass decreases, stress hormones rise, and sleep quality often drops, all of which contribute to lower testosterone. This decline isn't sudden or dramatic, but it changes energy, motivation, strength, and confidence over time. Understanding why testosterone drops helps men take control by making the right lifestyle and nutrition choices to support the body. Nuts are powerful because they deliver healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants, the exact building blocks testosterone depends on. Hormones are made from fats, so consuming clean, natural fats helps the body produce testosterone more efficiently. Nuts also reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and stabilize blood sugar, all of which create a healthier internal environment for hormone production. Their nutrients are compact, easy to digest, and accessible, making them perfect for everyday support. Brazil nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews all contain unique nutrients linked directly to hormonal balance. Selenium in Brazil nuts supports testosterone production. Magnesium in almonds increases free testosterone. Omega-3 fats in walnuts strengthen hormone signaling and reduce inflammation. Pistachios support blood flow and cholesterol balance, both important for testosterone synthesis. Cashews are rich in zinc, a mineral men need for libido, energy, and hormone function. Together, these nuts create a powerful nutritional foundation for men over 50. Peanuts, which are actually legumes, can trigger inflammation in many people, and inflammation directly suppresses testosterone. They also contain aflatoxins, compounds that may disrupt hormone balance. The second category to avoid is flavored nuts coated in sugar, salt, or artificial ingredients. These coatings turn healthy fats into inflammatory snacks that strain the heart, increase stress hormones, and interfere with testosterone production. Men don't need to remove all nuts, just the ones that work against them. Testosterone is built from cholesterol and healthy fats. When men consume enough natural fats from whole foods, not processed oils or fried foods, the body has the raw material it needs to produce hormones. Healthy fats also protect nerves, support the brain, and help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. When men try to follow extremely low-fat diets, testosterone levels often drop because the body doesn't have what it needs to create hormones. Nuts offer the ideal balance of fats that fuel, not harm. Minerals like zinc, magnesium, and selenium play a crucial role in hormone health. Zinc helps stimulate testosterone production. Magnesium supports the conversion of total testosterone into free testosterone, the kind your body can actually use. Selenium improves hormone metabolism and protects cells from oxidative stress. When men are low in these minerals, which many are, testosterone declines slowly and silently. Nuts are one of the easiest ways to restore these minerals daily without supplements. You don't need cups of nuts every day. You need consistency. A single Brazil nut provides enough selenium for the entire day. A handful of mixed nuts offers magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Hormone balance comes from small, steady habits repeated daily. Eating these nuts a few times a week won't deliver the same results as a small amount every day. When you're over 50, it's the long-term rhythm of your choices that shapes your energy, hormones, and overall vitality. When testosterone improves, so does the way a man feels. These nuts help stabilize blood sugar, improve heart health, enhance sleep, and fight inflammation, all of which boost daily energy. Better sleep means better testosterone. Better blood flow means stronger performance and vitality. More minerals mean more drive and motivation. Over time, these foods make men feel more alive, more confident, and more connected to their strength, both mentally and physically. Your long-term hormone health isn't defined by big life changes or dramatic diets. It's shaped by small decisions: what you snack on, how you start your morning, how you end your day. Replacing unhealthy snacks with hormone-supporting foods like nuts can create real, noticeable changes in energy, mood, and vitality. A healthier future depends on the choices you make today, not next month, not next year. Every handful becomes a vote for strength and longevity.